In today's video, I'll tell you do depression medicines actually work. Antidepressants actually work, and if that works, how to use it effectively to get out of depression bad mood as soon as possible. Coming to the question, does it actually work? The short answer is no, it does not. Suppose you are suffering through breakup. Suppose you don't have that much money that you want. Suppose you are going through a big crisis in your life. Do you think taking pills will help you? Why does depression happen? It happens because there is one big unsolved problem in your life and you don't have any solution to that. You have lost your hope. Do you think a pill will help to restore everything back? The answer is no, it does not work. So what I have observed, few of the psychiatrists, doctors, I don't want to tell everyone, but I know there are few of them who does not want to listen to the person's problem. Why is it happening? Because depression happens of numerous complex things. The basic thing is big unsolved problem, but there are numerous complex things and psychiatrists don't want to listen to them, doctors don't want to listen to them. You have this, take this SSRI, serotonin uplifter. Take this, you will feel good, you will feel happy after you will take it. What will happen? After 3 months, they used to give you X units of any drugs, medicine. After that, they will give you for 2x, then 3x units, 4x units, and what will happen as a result? You will feel sleepy all the time. Your liver will get damaged, and if you know when your liver will get damaged, a lot of other problems start occur, and then it will become a complete mess. You will have to take medicines for the rest of your life. Why do they do so? One thing that I have come across is that because they don't have so much of time. Suppose they are talking with their patient and then that duration of the session is not set, so they will think that the faster I will check this patient, faster I'll earn X amount of money, and then the more number of people I will see, the more money I will generate. So they don't really care about listening to every person. What I have seen and observed, it's obviously not true for every case. That's why what I have done for giving service to my clients, what I do is that I take it for specific amount for per hour. That means I don't have to check number of clients to earn money. The more a person will talk to me, the more there is the problem. So the more problem a person has, the more I will talk with him, and then it will decide the money. Unlike others, I have tried to keep my business model like that. So what you have to do, how does it work, how to make medicines work, what are medicines, don't take it in another way that you don't have to take medicine. And if you are taking medicine right now and if you just stop taking medicine after watching this video, you will just shiver and you will fall down. That will happen. What you have to do, you have to keep taking medicine and you have to start taking action. When you will start taking action for your big unsolved problems, then you will start feeling happy. You have to make a list like, these are my long-term problems, big unsolved problems, I have to work on that. These are my short-term problems, few things that irritates me, I have to work on that, so that I'll start feeling happy from right now, and then over a period of time I'll become depression free. If you want a framework in this issue, you can download Destroy Depression System. It is one of the best system I have come across, and in every video I tell about this because it is that good. It has goal setting workshop, it has cognitive behavioral therapy, it has how to get out of depression in 7 steps, and what diet to maintain to get out of depression as soon as possible. It has all sort of things. So if you want to get out from depression as soon as possible, don't want to delay it, don't want to live in bad mood, go and look out the system. If you like it, then purchase it. If you don't like it, no problem. You can watch all my videos. There is a playlist and description. You can go there and watch all videos and can get out of depression. It is so simple. It is that easy. Coming back to point, medicine will help you to keep you energetic and move forward taking those actions. If you will stop taking medicine, it will not help you. You just keep taking medicine, and when you start acting on these things, that medicine will go by itself. You just have to take action on your big unsolved problems. So I just want to tell you, work on real issues. It will set you free from bad moods and depression. And if you want me to make quality videos like that, make practical actionable videos like this, you can become a Patreon member and support me, because when you will become a Patreon member and support me, I'll able to free my time from another work that I do and invest all the energy and effort in making high quality videos like this. If you cannot be a Patreon right now, no problem, you can just subscribe me. It's just morale boosting action for me. If you will subscribe my channel, it means that I am helping you. If you like the video, if you got some understanding, like the video, so that I will know, yes, it is helping someone. Let me make more videos like this. And if you want any kind of support, I have one depression group. It has 4.5k members. You can go there, join, help other people, get helped by other people. Along with each other, we can go high, we can rise, we can just kill all the bad moods, depression, anxiety, stress. There is a social support group, link is in the description. And thank you for watching the video. The purpose of the channel is removing depression for its viewers. I cannot help everyone to kill their bad moods and depression, but I can help you, my viewers. If you know any person who can benefit from this video, please share it to them and it will help that person also. Thank you.